Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The upcoming 2025 Lamborghini Campervan Limousine is a very unusual and maybe revolutionary combination of the premium car and leisure vehicle industries. This hypothetical car combines the long wheelbase and luxurious amenities of a limousine with the aggressive and high-performance design language that is associated with Lamborghini. It is further enhanced by the useful and independent living space of a campervan. With its aggressive, sharp lines, low-slung profile, in comparison to conventional campervans, and distinguishing features like recognizable lighting signatures and maybe huge, performance-oriented wheels, the exterior styling would surely be significantly influenced by Lamborghini's current design philosophy. The longer wheelbase required by the limousine design would probably be skillfully incorporated to preserve some aerodynamic efficiency while offering a sizable platform for the campervan amenities and opulent interior. To lessen the additional weight of the enlarged chassis and onboard equipment, exotic materials like carbon fiber and lightweight alloys could be used in the body construction. The 2025 Lamborghini Campervan Limousine's interior would be a masterwork of custom luxury and creative use of available space. Comfortable seating, high-end leather upholstery, cutting-edge multimedia systems with built-in connectivity, and maybe a partition for more privacy would all be features of the limousine section. The campervan features would be seamlessly incorporated towards the back, perhaps including a small but fully functional kitchenette with top-of-the-line appliances, a cleverly hidden sleeping area that could fold out from seating arrangements or deploy electronically, and a chic bathroom with high-end fixtures. Lamborghini's reputation for high performance would be reflected in the overall atmosphere, which would place a premium on advanced comfort and technology integration in a transportable living area. A high-performance hybrid system or a potent version of Lamborghini's current engine architecture, modified for the added weight and needs of a larger vehicle, may be the powertrain for such a vehicle, albeit this is still purely hypothetical. The driving dynamics would try to strike a mix between the steadiness and comfort needed for long-distance travel with the performance expected of the brand. To guarantee a comfortable and safe driving experience, sophisticated suspension systems and driver assistance technology would be essential. If the 2025 Lamborghini Campervan Limousine is a reality, it will fill a very specific market niche and appeal to people looking for a special combination of self-contained mobile living and high-performance luxury travel. It would be a daring declaration, pushing the limits of functionality and design while questioning accepted automotive categories.